Okay, here's how to log in and add content to your blog, and I'm going to use this sample blog at wordpress.com to show how it works. However, any WordPress blog, whether it's self-installed or whether it's hosted elsewhere, works about the same way. So here's the procedure we'll use. You go to the URL of the blog, you get the front page, and that shows whatever pages or posts you've already got set to show up when by default on the URL. However, if you want to add content to it, just click up on the URL and add this ending to it. That's WP admin actually. Should bring you to a login screen. You hit enter there, and here comes the login screen. So here's the login screen, and you just type in the username. Now, as soon as I clicked on there, this screen has been cookied, so it remembers that I logged in here before. I can just click in the username that's there. However, different usernames on the same blog, you'll have to type them in. Then you go to the password and type whatever password's appropriate, whatever I've sent you for the account. In both cases, it matters uppercase and lowercase. No pun intended, but in both cases it does matter. So capitals and lowercase letters. Pay attention to that. Then you click on login, and you'll be brought to the what they call the dashboard, or the back end of the blog. That's where all the work happens. That's where you can add content, make changes to settings and graphics and themes and such. But today we're just going to talk about adding content. So to see what's there, this particular blog is set up that it shows any new content, any new posts will show up on the front page immediately. So that's what we're going to do today. Click on Posts and click on Add New. Now that I can see the list of posts there, I want to add a new one. Okay, three things you want to add to a post then are the title up on the top here. So I'll do this one with another new post, because you can see the one there that I used as a test to add a new post today. Anyway, another new post, and I'm just going to type random letters here for words. Forgive me for that, but just for quick. And there's your content. Over here, the third thing you might want to add is tags. Tags are like keywords. If that's important to get found on Google for a particular set of keywords, you want to add them in there and separate them by commas. So maybe this one might be, well, the content there is just random, so there we go. There's the tag, separated by commas. Okay, click on Add, and you can see those three tags. Notice how brilliantly worded they are. Anyway, point is, from here, if you want to put your content up on the blog, just click on Publish here. Click on the button for Publish, and it will add your content as the new front page or the new top section of the blog. How can you check on that? Well, first, notice that this yellow header just appeared saying Post Published. That just means that it worked. And now that it worked, if you right-click on the name of the blog here, in this case BC Biz Group, right-click and open in a new tab. I'm using a Firefox, so that's its particular setup. You use your browser, same sort of thing. Anyway, opening in a new tab, and there you can see there's the blog now at the normal URL, and the new front page, or sorry, the new post is up on the front page. Another new post. There we go. Now, in general, it'll keep prior content showing on the front page depending on what settings you have on the blog. And on this one, I think it shows up to 5 posts before it moves into another location. But no problem, you can always find at least the latest post up here and get to anything else using links on this front page. So if I click on the title of that listing, for instance, I get just that page and a comment. Any comments attached to it. Click on Home to go back to it, obviously, and you get the whole front page with all the current posts. Okay, last thing you want to remember, back to the dashboard here on the other tab. When you're done, definitely make sure you go up to the top right here and click Log Out. Okay, there, once you see that screen, it says you're now logged out. Now it's secure, the password's hidden and such, and you're finished. Hope that helps.